from Priom Entertainment. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a coin holder. I am with you in the full video quiz. So let's get started.
At first, take a card or cardboard. Then place the coins on the card or cardboard and take it evenly. Then cut the draw parts evenly. Take a piece of polythene. Put polythene inside the cardboard. Then place the coin of your choice in the cut area. And pin it around the cardboard.
Alrighty, coin holder, why don't you make a coin holder? Thanks for staying with us on this video so long. Goodbye friends. Bye bye.